The Epson ET-3760 printer is designed with high-capacity, refillable ink tanks that eliminate the need for traditional cartridges, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly printing solution. With the ability to save up to 90% on ink costs, this printer can produce up to 7,500 black and 6,000 color pages with each set of replacement ink bottles. The printer comes with enough ink to last up to 2 years, significantly reducing the hassle and expense of frequent ink replacements. Utilizing PrecisionCore Heat-Free Technology, the ET-3760 delivers exceptional print quality with sharp text and vibrant color graphics on a variety of paper types. It features a robust paper handling system with a 250-sheet tray and an automatic document feeder, ensuring high productivity for busy office environments. Modern connectivity options, including Ethernet, wireless, and voice-activated printing, make it easy to print documents from a range of smart devices.